If you're setting up your Brightspeed modem, begin by unpacking everything and confirming you have the modem, power adapter, and the correct cable for your service type. Place it near a power outlet and your wall connection. If you have DSL, plug the DSL cable into the wall jack and then into the DSL port on the modem. For fiber service, connect the Ethernet cable from your optical network terminal, ONT, to the modem's WAN or Internet port. Once connected, plug in the power adapter and wait a few minutes while the modem boots up. The power and internet lights should turn solid when the connection is active. Next, connect your phone or computer either via Ethernet cable or by joining the default Wi-Fi network listed on the modem label. Open a browser and enter 192.168.0.1 to access the setup page. Then log in using the default admin credentials printed on the modem. Follow the on-screen steps to complete activation, and test by loading a website. If the internet light stays red, recheck all cables and restart the modem.